guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dev and today we are here with a very special unboxing. So we have with us here the Realme Pad tablet. This is one of the cheapest tablet alternative out there right now, which you can buy for below 15,000 rupees, and the quality of this and the rest of the features of this is really nice. I will tell you all about this, but first let's go on with the unboxing and let me show you around the box first. So on the top, a very nice picture of the tab, looks nice. We'll see if it really translates to the real thing, if that also looks this much nice. All right, so at the bottom is written as Dolby Atmos. So this is Dolby Atmos and this is high-res audio. On the side it says Realme Pad, and at the bottom it says ultra slim and light, and for 10.4 WUXGA immersive display, and this is an HD display. 7100 mAh mega battery. So give you an idea, the smartphone these days have a battery of somewhere around 4000 to 500 mAh battery. So yeah, big screen, of course it will need more power, so a big battery. Dolby Atmos quad speaker. So this has 4 speakers and which has Dolby Atmos. So we'll see in a very soon. The processor of this is Helio G80 gaming processor. This is optimized for gaming, and this has 8 megapixel ultra wide angle front camera. Alright, so the MRP of this is listed as 21,999, but I got this for around 11,999. That was on the Independence Day sale, and also I had some card discount 1000 rupees, but at any point if there is no other discount also, you can get this for around 13,999 at any point of time from Flipkart. I'll put the link of that somewhere below, you can check that out. And this is made in China. Alright, let's not waste any more time and let's see what is inside the box. So this slides off like all the other electronics these days. So plain white simple box. We are greeted by the tab itself covered in a soft plastic covering. The bag is not a toy, and let us put this aside for now. We'll come back to that very soon and see what else is in the box. So nicely slides out a user manual. Realme Pad, very small, quite nice, to the point, very minimalist. Okay, we have a pin. All right, so why a pin? So the model of this is a Wi-Fi only, no SIM, but we still have a SIM tool. We'll see very soon why it is there. Okay, we have a cable, charging cable, and this is USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. So quite nice and quite long also. And we have this huge ass charging brick. This has 18 watt smart charging. I'm not sure why they have given such a big charger. This model number is given, input and output is given here, and also made in China. Alright, now let's have a look at the reason why we are all here. A tab here, plastic tab, that's quite a nice touch to bring this out of the box and slides right off. So really nice. So at the front, this is the screen. This is a high resolution screen. The resolution of this is 2000 into 1900. This is 2K. So this is a very high definition screen. So the screen to body ratio of this is 82%. So you can see very small bezels around here, and the camera is here. This is the 8 megapixel front camera. Now let me turn this around and show you what's at the side. So 2 mics here, 2 microphones for your audio calls, and this is at the top. You see this is the camera here, and you have the microphone, so you can attend your calls here of office or classroom. So this is very well placed. And we have the volume button here, very clicky, and we have the SIM tray here. Alright, now coming to that, let's take this out and see what this is. So this model we have here is the 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM of memory, and we have this SIM here. This is a 3G only, this is a Wi-Fi only model, no 3G. So as you can see, this here contains or holds your memory card, and this is blocked, just a block of plastic here. Usually if you buy the 4G model, in this place you can put your nano SIM. Supports up till 1 TB, so you can insert a card here and have 1 TB plus 32 GB of memory in that. Right. Okay, now let me turn this around and see what's there. So speaker wheel. As I said, 4 speakers this has, supports Dolby. So 2 speakers are here, and we have the power button here. Let me just long press this and turn this on. So meanwhile, while it turns on, let me just keep showing you on the sides. Nothing here on this side, and coming to the bottom or the side, depends on your perspective, we have a headphone jack here, very important, and 2 other speakers here, and we have the USB-C port here, charging port. Now let's see, have a look at the back. So complete metal build, total metal, no plastic here. The entire thing is made of aluminum. Now if you're going to compare this with Apple iPads, it's not as good as that because those use a single block of aluminum. But also those cost around 10 times more than this. So speaking of the back, realme branding here at the bottom. So we have a sticker here and we have the camera here. This is again a single camera and this is also 8 megapixel camera. So front and back both are 8 megapixel camera. So let us have a look at that beautiful screen. Okay, very high resolution, very nice. You can see the corners are rounded. This is 10.4 inch screen. This is a 2K screen and this is a full HD screen, but this is an LCD screen. This is not an OLED screen, but yeah, in this price range that is perfectly alright. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll answer each and every one of you, and I will do the review of this very soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Take care and goodbye.